Hello, my name is Michelle Phoenix, and I will begin with atom. An atom is the smallest unit of an element. Next, I will discuss elements. An element is a type of matter in which all the atoms are the same. It cannot be broken down into similar sentences. Example, symbols from the periodic table are used for individual elements, such as O for oxygen, H for hydrogen, C for carbon, and N for nitrogen, and Ca for calcium. Next up is molecule, the smallest unit of a compound, consisting of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. H2O, carbon dioxide is consisting of 1 carbon atom, bonded to 2 oxygen atoms, CO2, and sulfuric acid, consisting of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 sulfur atom, and oxygen atoms, H2O, S4, SO4. Next compound, two or more elements are chemically combined. Carbon dioxide gas, CO2, formed by a combine of carbon and compounds. And finally, the differences between inorganic compounds and organic compounds is organic compounds contain carbon and inorganic compounds does not contain carbon. Now on to Skylar.
Thank you, Michelle. My name is Skylar, and today I'm going to be discussing proteins, amino acids, enzymes, and carbohydrates. First, I would like to begin with proteins. Proteins are large organic molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. They are needed for tissue growth and repair. The foods you can eat are meat, milk, eggs, and potatoes. Proteins in membranes when broken down into amino acids. Secondly, amino acids. Amino acids are small units that are linked together chemically to form large protein molecules. Next, enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reaction in the bodies of living things. Finally, carbohydrates. They are energy-rich organic molecules made up of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and phosphorus that contain instructions that cells need to carry out all functions of life. Raw materials for cell parts are sugar and starches. Foods to eat are bagels, muffins, raisins, and soft drink used to convert sugar. That's all for me. Now on to Bree.
Thank you, Skylar. My name is Bree. I'm going to be discussing nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, and lipid. First, nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is a large organic molecule made up of hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. They are found in the nucleus of cells. The function is they make up genetic information in living things. Second, DNA. DNA is a genetic material that carries information about an organism. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is found in the nucleus. It contains the genetic instruction of the development and function of living things. Next, RNA. RNA helps in the production of proteins. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. DNA is found in the cytoplasm. The function is directing the assembly of proteins and ribosomes. Lastly, lipids. Lipids are energy-rich compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, fats, and oils, and wax. The function is storage of energy of forming cells membranes alone. Words used to describe complex dietary nutrients. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.